Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel Nano ELearn, Learning Made Easy. My name is Dr. Srinivas Putluri. I'm a doctorate and a senior IT engineer. The topics covered in this session are: what is the motto of my channel Nano ELearn, introduction to e-learning, what is nano learning and its benefits. The main motto of Nano ELearn channel is Nano Learn based learning of concepts. This channel helps learning in small chunks to learn to make learning simple and easy at the point of need. It helps learners to learn in less time in small bites or small chunks of videos from any place at your convenience. For instance, one can choose to learn an 1 hour e-learning content and it can be chunked into 5 to 10 minutes of videos of shorter duration. These segments teach us all key concepts precisely in each one of those chunks. Introduction to e-learning. E-learning stands for electronic learning. It uses to learn courses online with the help of electronic devices like computer, laptop, tablet, or even a smartphone. With this, learners can learn 24 hours at any time all over the world, 7 days in a week. Users can learn from their own place using the system. What is nano learning? Nano learning focuses on learning in small chunks which covers under 10 minutes of time frame to make learning simple at that instant of need. What are the benefits of nano learning? It's very effective for learners, those who want to learn at their moment of need. These are covered in short training modules. It helps learn more points in less time in small bites. Also, to avoid learners who refers through time-consuming lengthy materials, nano learning is the easy way to choose. You can also learn from their own place at their convenience. Thanks for watching my video. See you. See you in my first video series on manual testing concepts. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day.